Hey Matt, how do you cut a watermelon?
Well, Tiger, first off, whenever you hand someone a knife, never hand it to them like this. Always handle first, just a little knife etiquette. I'm gonna do it, since this is a tiny knife, instead of doing it like this, which will hurt my wrist the regular way, I could, away from me, hold it like this, insert it right in the center. So this allows you to have better grip. Since it's such a small utility knife and we have such a big melon, you don't want to hurt your wrist, you don't want to cut yourself. Just work your way around, just like that. We're not going to eat this whole thing right now. Now I could just hold the knife regular. I always typically will do index finger, thumb like that, kind of like I'm holding a pen or pencil. And that is a lot better on my wrist as opposed to holding it like this, which will really fuck up your wrist. We don't want that shit. Okay, so. Also, I don't know if you noticed, this is moving around. Always have a towel or something underneath your cutting board or it's gonna move around. It's kind of dangerous. I'm just gonna find one where we're at right now, so. Li Hing powder. Since you're in Hawaii, you gotta have Li Hing powder. That's watermelon the right way.